It was a great experience with Fast Signs, and we would definitely do it again.
Fast Signs was always available, whether it be by email or phone call. I knew that I could reach out to them. They were there for us whenever we needed it. They did the road signage in the front of the building, and then they did a directional sign for inbound freight. And then throughout the office, they did our new backlit lobby sign that shows our corporate name. And then throughout our conference room, the president's office, as well as the warehouse, we have acrylic signage that has our corporate logo as well as the subsidiaries.
The renovation project we just completed was very exciting. Number one, it uplifted the personnel and the people we have in place now. It's upgraded everybody's confidence in knowing that we are here to stay, that we're here to grow. Provided us something that pretty much just blew us away. Rob and his team did an outstanding job. They not only listened to our needs, but really took it to heart, and they understood our vision.
The W.S. Connelly project was a rebranding project with multiple facets. It was certainly a comprehensive solution that we took from concept, design, printing, fabrication, all the way to installation. They wanted to make a statement. It worked out very well. I think our team did an excellent job of understanding what they wanted, and we were able to help them turn their ideas into reality.
They're my first go-to. If you want somebody to pick up the phone, you want somebody to answer that email, and you want somebody to give you a competitive, fair price, there's nobody else that I would recommend.
They delivered and did it on time within budget, and we were extremely happy with it. With the great ideas and the expert installation crew that they have, there would be no reason not to use Fast Signs.